Hello everybody. Welcome. Hi. Hi.
How you doing?
Where are you? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel. Welcome to 24 Days of Science Experiments.
Science.
Science. With as in row. And it is day 73. Only one more. How crazy is that?
Yeah, one more. Oh my goodness, we're nearly there.
I know. Oh my gosh, what is this?
The mesh hose. You can hold that near the camera. It is exactly as described. It's a mesh hose.
Boing.
So, alright, so experiment one is what you're doing already. Try to give the mesh hose different shapes, e.g. by pressing or stretching. You can make it very thin.
You can put it... Oh, I made it right.
Yeah, you can do that. Make it very thin. Stretching. Make it very fat.
I can make it into a little.
But what happens when you let it go? Well, you turn the ends in.
Yeah. Let it, okay, well, so what do we mean when I squish it and then I let it go? Oh, it goes back to
so
thin.
it just goes back to its original shape.
Boing!
To do so, it uses the energy that you put in while deforming it. So it's got a shape, you put energy into it by squishing it, and then you let go and that energy is released. And that's how it goes back into its shape.
Huh.
So actually, you've just performed experiment 2 as well. So experiment 2 is called jumping. There is a much more effective and fun way to use the energy you put into the mesh hose. Place the hose on the table.
Let me see if I can get
Or you
him.
can just do it like that.
I'm gonna try to get him.
And press it down from above. Then quickly pull away your hand. You'll be surprised. Oh, you try.
Yeah.
You'll be surprised at how far the hose jumps. Oh, gotcha. Oh, I got me. It's pretty jumpy, isn't it?
Yeah.
That was a terrible attempt.
It's... Whoa! I'm gonna see if I can get the camera. Oh, okay. This is so much fun. What's next? Oh, I made a new shape.
Oh yeah, you probably turned one inside out.
Yeah. Wow. Nice one.
Very nice. Wow. Now, to get an even more exciting effect, this is the thing, they wanted a small light ball, like a ping pong ball. We didn't have a small light ball like a ping pong ball, but I found a champagne cork, which I think will do the same job.
Ooh,
so
nice.
Guess what you're gonna do with this?
Oh my gosh, I'm just gonna bring you guys a little closer. Am I going to put the cork on top?
You're
try
gonna
to
and
launch
make
it?
the cork jump.
All right.
Yeah. I think it's better here.
It might be the
So you can actually see how high it jumps.
Oh, no. It's very fine balance. Oh,
Actually, the first time it worked perfectly.
yeah. What's
So
going on
energy
here?
so this is conservation of energy. So energy is one of the most important subjects in physics. One of the fundamental properties of energy is that it cannot vanish. Instead, it can only be converted into other forms. So this is like how a car engine works. You burn fuel, you make that energy into heat, which expands and makes movement. So you're making heat energy, making chemical energy into heat energy into kinetic energy. Kinetic is movement. It's also like how when you've got, you know, those balls on a rack?
Oh, yeah.
What are they called? Newton's cradle. So the balls whack into each other, all the energy goes through them into the other one and comes out. Pop, pop. But you can convert energy into different types. So sometimes, like for example, if you rub your hands, that's movement energy being converted into heat.
Yes.
So the energy, that you're burning some energy, but it's not disappearing, it's being transformed.
Right.
That's what's happening here. So you're making the energy get pushed into it by pushing it out of shape.
Yeah.
Because it's springy, it keeps that energy and then releases it when you stop doing that. So let me keep reading here. They're probably going to say the same thing I just said.
Yeah.
Instead, it can be converted into other forms of energy or even stored. This kind of energy conversion takes place, for example, in cooking, where the cooking pot converts electric energy to heat. Another example is a lamp that converts electric energy to light and also to heat. As heat was not intended, only light, it is called lost energy. All this is stated by one of the fundamental laws of physics, namely the law of conservation of energy. Simply put, it means that energy can only ever be converted, but that it can never be lost. There are various forms of energy like electrical, magnetic, light and motion energy. The latter is often called kinetic energy. Now I just have one more little thing to add to this.
All right.
A little Rowan addition.
Oh.
I have here a very ordinary rubber band. It's quite a thick one, but it's just a very ordinary blue rubber band. What I would like you to do, Erica, is convert some of this stored energy
Yep.
into heat. And the way you're going to do that is you're going to hold it like this, and you're going to very quickly, because it's only going to make a very small amount of heat, and it's going to go away very quickly. To stretch it as wide as you can, and then push it against your face, and see if it feels cold or warm.
Warm.
Like quickly like it.
Oh, but it's like stuck
Like-
together. It got really hot.
Like stretch it and then put it straight into your face.
I don't know. I think it's warm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, and now it's like melted together.
It shouldn't be that warm. Yeah, so when you stretch an elastic band, you don't normally notice because it's such a very small amount, but
Oh yeah.
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 But it warms up because there's a whole lot of energy going on, and you create a bit of accidental heat energy, which is energy that's not what you intended, but it gets in there. So you
Look
can
at
try
that.
that energy. You can try that energy. You can try that experiment.
Yeah. If you don't have a whatever this is called again. Mesh hose. Oh no. It looks nice catch. All right,
What a fun little thing. That's it for.
this is clearly hours of entertainment for us. So, ooh, ah, nice one. Thank you so much for joining us for day 23 and the mesh hose. And please, whoa, that was a total blank part there. What? Give us a like, a subscribe, and a follow. Give me a comment below. Let me know how you are doing today, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow.